Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of redecorating my room, but really it's just decluttering, shuffling little things here and there. So far today, just the only thing that I'm going to be doing is removing my tapestry that's been there for a couple years now. I've already taken down the fairy lights. See those hooks at the top? That's basically where the fairy lights were hanging, but it also holds the tapestry up. So we're going to be need to find something to remove the nails that are holding the hooks onto the wood. I think I'm just going to get rid of the tapestry altogether. Initially, I had wanted to put it on this wall behind me, but I've decided because it's not long enough. So there's no point. And I mean, I don't know what else I can do with it, so I think I just might have to get rid of it, maybe sell it to somebody else. But I really really like it. I really like it, so or maybe I'll find another purpose for it. But for now, that's going down. We've already taken the fairy lights down. There is a toolbox. Trying to see, I just need to check up there to see how we can unhook the nails. Unhook the nails from the hook, if that makes sense. Let me just show you what I mean. So we got the tools, but I don't think it's gonna work because these nails are so tiny. Like, we can't hook the tools into it. This is gonna be interesting. I don't even remember how we put this in. I think we might have just like hammered it in. So I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Let me ask my brother because he probably knows. The hook is plastic, so if we just pull it out, then I'm afraid it's just gonna break. And because it's been here for so long, it's probably like really soft. Let me just ask my brother. Maybe he'll know how to remove it safely. I really don't remember how we put this in the first place. So let me just step down and go and ask my brother, and hopefully he'll be able to help. This is Nathaniel. Nathan. My brother. I want to remove those hooks, right? At the top. Okay. But the problem is, first of all, the hooks are plastic. And then the nails inside them are very small. So
I should not break them.
I don't know. Yeah, how can we remove them? Because we got this toolbox thinking, goody, we can like unscrew them. But we can't because it doesn't have anything to screw. So I don't know how we can pull them out, because I know you use that, you know, that teeth thing, like the hammer, how it has the two thing at the back.
Yeah.
I thought that's what we could use, but we don't have a hammer, do we?
Okay.
I don't think we have one, so I don't know.
Use the same screwdrivers. If it can help.
You just pull it out.
Yeah. So let's check it out.
Okay. Don't fall. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm scared now. Be like this.
It's very hard, ne?
Yeah, it's very.
Yeah. I can't even remember how we put them in, because this was put up like 2017, I think.
Oh, that's.
Or 16.
That's a very long time ago.
It is.
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working.
Wow.
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it just needs a little bit of strength.
Which I don't have. Thanks.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Is this stable?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me remove these things for you. You can step on it. It's just, there's not a lot of, standing space.
If I'm going to fall, that will be your problem.
Yeah, you're gonna fall on me. I'm gonna move.
You'll be responsible for everything, you know? So please, show me the truth about your bed.
It's not soft at all. I thought it was going to be so hard because the nails are so tiny.
No. Maybe the big ones are the ones.
That would be hard.
Yeah.
Oh.
These ones are very
Oh,
soft.
wow. I need to find that other nail that fell.
I don't know. Just so scared. Wait. black color is the one that was making people to think like that.
Maybe, but I mean, I always knew that I wanted my room to be black and white.
Gosh.
Even because I feel like they're such simple colors, and if you add any color, it'll go. Even in my house, the theme is black and white.
I've broken this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
what, the hook?
Yeah, the hook.
Oh yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Oh, but you got it.
But I've tried my part because it's only one.
You haven't even tried. You've done it. You've done so good.
Ah, what's that?
The hook.
Oh, the hook. Oh.
Yeah. Hey, but these nails, I
Hey.
might end up sleeping on them. Guys, the tapestry is gone and my room looks so plain. I've gotten so used to it just being there. It from me for today in terms of just my plans and everything. This is gonna take a long while. Hopefully not too long, but I know it's gonna take a while for me to, you know, conceptualize everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the journey.